It's called Barber Lake, and me and a buddy of mine are going to take a couple kayaks out here, and we're going to see if we can't get some largemouth out of here. I got my first bass out of the little kayak here, and we haven't even got started really yet. There's where we put in at. It's a nice little bass, so we're going to get him back in the water and see if we can't get some more out of here. Bass number 2. Just flipping along these bushes and seeing what we can get. Apparently they're going to be pretty active for us today. Oh, there's another one. Beautiful place right there. Lake's full of these little bass so far. I'm hoping we get a big one out of there, so we're going to keep on going. Another one. Woohoo! It's not a bad one. Let's get him up here. Oh. Well, I don't know how many this makes, but this pond is full of these bass right here. So I'm gonna keep on going. That's a pretty one though. So we'll get him back in there. Come on, little girl. Oh, there we go. Another one. Oh, there's another nice bass out of this pond today. So we're doing pretty good. So we're going to keep at it with that little jig, and we'll get down there and see what my buddy Jim's doing here in a few minutes. But we're burning the bass up on that little jig. So, rock quarry to the public, so you can go down there and fish. You can put a boat in there. It's hard to fish from the bank, except for in a few spots. It's full of bass, though. It's a really nice lake. We went down there and I got them to bite on a little 8-ounce bitsy bug with a little pork chunk trailer. Working it real slow along the grass banks. But all in all, we had a great day. I caught a lot of bass, between a pound, maybe 2 and 2.5 pounds. And it was just working that jig real slow. So I hope you get out there and enjoy it. It's brand new, and I hope to see you around. Like and subscribe, and we will keep bringing them to you. Thank you.